Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Skyrude. Mada Skyrude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how I repaired the Toyota 2004 Rav4 idle problem. So actually, this happened after coming back to my home. Before I turn off the engine actually turned off by itself, and so it's idle, unstable stability. And I got the code, check engine lamp code P100 and P0101 and P0505, and those are actually all mass flow mass airflow circuit or the MAF related. So I started checking the MAF, I thought this car has been running lean on the bank one. So I thought it's kind of leak somewhere, a vacuum leak or something. So I made the smoke the vacuum leak detector by myself and checked the leak, but didn't see any leak. And then I decided to follow the instruction manual and for the P0100 code, and I checked the MAF circuit, everything. It didn't solve the problem, but I found in the manual it says check the fuse for the EFI. So that fuse was blown, and then this gave me the red flag for this EFI circuit. And then I knew that the oxygen sensors and the fuel pump are connected to this fuse. So I expanded my search to the fuel pump and the oxygen sensor. I run the motor without oxygen sensor, then it ran fine. So the oxygen sensor and the air fuel sensor. So finally, I got the bad AF sensor and I replaced it, and it solved the problem. And actually, it was a long day, and I finally kind of solved the problem, but still my car runs the bank one lean, so the fuel term is always high. And also I don't know why that air fuel the sensor got damaged, because that was relatively new. So one possibility is that I added the injector cleaner, but I don't know if that is really related to the damage. But anyways, this is how it went. So this is 2003 Toyota Rav4, and the idle does not really sustain. So I'm checking with the OBD2. Let's see the code first. Just read the code. So it's P100. That's a mass or volume airflow circuit. Circuit is not really, I think, controlling. And next one, P101 mass or volume airflow circuit range performance. And this is 505, obviously idle air control system. Idle is not really working fine. And this is also pending 101, same code. So this car has been showing the P0171 intermittently. That is actually the bank one engine was running too lean. I replaced the mass air flow or the sensor, and also cleaned it and replaced it. But and I also so I thought that lean happened when the RPM was higher. So I thought that's more like a fuel side problem, but obviously it looks like it's the air is too much. So I suspect some leak there. Let's check the freeze pane. So when the idle is dead, freeze pane 100. So the short time fuel trim 20.3 and long term is 13, so it's 33, and the bank 2 is 20. and 3.1. So it's the basically the car was trying to make it richer, but it didn't work. Okay, so that's all. So I made the smoke leak detector. So this is a smoker, and this is based on the other YouTube video, and I put the link in the comment part, so you can make it very easy with a mason jar and the soldering iron and the bicycle pump. And inside it, the baby oil is filled, and I put some fabric. The original YouTuber used the socks, but whatever the fabric, it gonna work. And this is heated up, and then eventually make smoke. Here we go. You got the smoke coming out. So I'm gonna use this to check the leak. So I set up like this. So this is the smoker, and tubing goes to this intake, air intake, and I use the glove, and they put the tubing there. So it's pressurized. I don't really see the leak, any smoke coming out. So since there's no leak, I decided to follow the manual. So the first thing I was supposed to do is to check the voltage for the MAF. This is the troubleshooting for the P0100. So check the voltage for number 1 and the ground. Number 1 pin is the far left. So I'm gonna put this guy here and ground. So I'm measuring the voltage of terminal 1 for the MAF sensor, but I cannot really get the voltage, so I think this is a problem. Yeah, I don't get any voltage here. So I'm supposed to check the open circuit of this. So since I didn't get the 12 volts on the connector, I am supposed to check the open circuit between the connector and the relay, EFI relay. So EFI relay is inside this box. EFI main is this guy. Let's check the EFI fuse first. EFI fuse 10 amps, this guy. Let's check this guy first. So this guy is, so this fuse is dead. So this is the cause, I think. This is great thing about Toyota. They have the emergency backup fuse here. So I'm gonna steal this and put that here. I think this is the cause for the current program. So I'm gonna check the voltage one more time. There we go. So you got the 12 volts. It's not 12 volts though. It's 9 volts. So I think this is the cause, so I'm gonna put it back together and try to run the motor. And of course, we have to figure out why that fuse was burned. It may be the faulty MAF or something like that, so I have to be careful about that. But anyways, I'll try and see what happens. So let's see how it goes. Oh no, it doesn't start. Okay. So let's see. Data stream. Okay, it's open loop. So still not fixed. MAF is working 0.31. Oxygen sensor is 0. Why is that? 0. And it's already the check engine lamp is on. I reset it by disconnecting the battery, but it's on right away. So something is going wrong. But right now it's idle. 100. Okay. It's still 100. And the idle air is not working. 101. It's same symptom, huh? I don't know. I thought the fuse solved the problem, but